Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 345, Phishing Detection Agent. A newly announced Power Pages feature brings together two of Microsoft's favorite things, AI and security. In this tip, we'll look at the Phishing Detection Security Agent. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. The newly announced Security Agent is responsible for scanning Power Pages sites looking for suspicious phishing activity. There is nothing you need to do to enable this. Microsoft is already monitoring automatically. If Microsoft detects that your site has been compromised with phishing activity, it will be suspended. Tenant admins will be alerted via email, Teams, and via messaging in the Power Platform Admin Center. If a legitimate site is incorrectly flagged, you should raise a support ticket with Microsoft to get the site reinstated. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 345 on Phishing Detection Agent useful.